Tiwala raw sa sarili ang naging susi para maagaw ni Jeff Horn kay pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao ang WBO Welterweight Championship belt. Sakali mang humiling ng rematch sa kanya ang Team Pacquiao, hindi raw uurong si Horn. Balita hatid ni Mav Gonzalez.
Hindi maipaliwanag ang saya sa locker room ni Jeff Horn matapos niyang masulot ang WBO welterweight title mula kay pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Duguan pa si Horn nang pumasok sa kwarto pero bakas ang saya.
Absolutely unbelievable. I can't explain the words really. I'm just so excited, so pumped. I cannot wait to the next step now.
Muntik na raw itigil ang laban dahil sa sugat sa mata ni Horn.
The doctor came out after round 9 and said that we want to stop the fight, and I said no way. I knew that in 1 minute break, just keeping Jeff calm, I could get him back out and deliver a big round.
It definitely was a battle of Brisbane, that's for sure. It may be a battle of Brisbane too. I was not ready for quit. Not a quitter. Australians aren't quitters to start with, so there we go. We showed we're the winners.
Kwento ni Horn, kahit ilang beses din siyang nasuntok ni Pacquiao, hindi siya nag-alinlangang kaya niyang maka-score ng upset sa laban.
From the very beginning, before the matches started, I believed in myself that I could win the fight. The first couple of rounds, when I won those rounds, I was like, I can do this.
Dumating din sa locker room ang pamilya ni Horn, kabilang ang asawang si Joanna na buntis sa kanilang panganay.
That's another thing that we have to celebrate this year.
Just absolutely amazing. You know, you see all the hard work that Jeff and Blaine have put in.
Pagkatapos ng media interviews, dumiretso sa clinic si Jeff para tahiin ang pumutok niyang kanang mata.
But you really did well.
Ngayon, i-enjoy raw muna ng Team Hornet ang pagkapanalo nila bago isipin ang rematch na posibleng maganap sa Nobyembre. Mula rito sa Brisbane, Australia, Mav Gonzalez, GMA News.